Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
All right, so if you need to replace the light bulb in one of these, if one of these gets burned out, turn it on and off like that. One way to pull this cover off, you're gonna push right here. You take a little screwdriver right here, pry down, right like that. Pry it out, turn the lights off again, just push that little button, and the bulb's right there. Pull the bulb out. Be careful and grab it with your fingers. It's kind of hard to grab it, but you can grab it from the ends and just pull it down. This bulb is a DE3175. To reinstall, I'm just gonna hold it like that, line it up, and just push it on. You can, before we put our cover on, you can double check by clicking that or turning the switch on with the door open. Now we're gonna install this cover. Just slide this side in first and then lock in the back side.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.